switch in shutdown. APRMs are downscale. RPV pressure 532 pounds, down fast actually. Upset range is not available. Where's fuel compensation? Fuel comp? RPV level is not great. Ooh, that's a spicy hot dry well. Can I have no clue what I'm doing. Why do they auto close? Well, they have to be in the open position to actually lock. I think these have to be in the open position to actually lock. And open, yeah. No, they don't, apparently. Okay. Okay, so... house suppression pool. That's not what I'm looking for. Suppression pool is not great. I'm gonna take RHRB off of pumping and attempt This is P673. Suppression. I think this fully throttles at 8,000. 8,000. Yeah, I'm gonna get Rixie started if I can. I cannot get Rixie. Ooh, turbine trip is not even. Could we have this back? We do, thank God. Selector, I'll close that. I will close that, please. I'm cooked. Yeah, I'm cooked. Ugh. Why'd Rixie turbine trip? What is wide range level?
Wide range. Negative 28.
Up slow or down slow or what direction?
Up pretty fast, actually.
Okay.
Negative 20.
Okay, I'm starting condensate booster pump injection. I'm attempting to start it actually.
What did you do?
We had design basis accident, loss of cooling accident actually. Design basis loss of cooling, and subsequent simultaneous loss of offsite power.
Lovely.
Which are two independent systems. There's no reason for one to go down and take the other down with it. There's SM7 and 8.
We're approaching 0 inches.
Okay.
Wide range.
Okay. SM8.
We're about to go in positive.
Okay. Switch from that level over there to at the controls. There's a digital upset and narrow range right there, I think. Or no, it's right here. Upset and narrow range.
Yeah, I see it.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm trying to restore power, but I don't know what that was.
It's going up a lot faster now.
Okay,
I'm
I'm gonna stop RHR pumping, or I'm gonna slow RHR. I guess I can stop it. What is pressure?
27.6. It's about to drop to 27.5.
Okay, 27.5 psi.
We're going at negative 0.8 per minute.
I'm sorry.
Negative 0.8 per minute.
Oh.
Let's see.
What's current pressure? Yeah. What's current level per narrow range?
32.1. Still
What direction?
Increasing.
Okay.
Upwards. Fast.
Okay. SM7 and SM8. I'm gonna try to reset lockouts, but I don't think. Oh.
That is a lovely script. Lovely.
Okay, I've reset lockouts. I think. I'm not sure. Apparently, bus 7 and 8 alternate feeder is still locked out.
Still slow going up on upset and narrow range.
Whenever it hits 60 on narrow, switch to upset. I think upset has a maximum. Oh my god, that alarm! Maximum level readout of, I want to say plus 120, but I'm not entirely sure.
RPV level high and low alarm.
Acknowledge and reset.
I know nothing about this plan. I've barely ever played this game.
Move.
Okay.
Okay, So I can't see the valve indicators, so the valves don't have power. But why can't I? Oh, there's no Rixie steam, no wonder. Can you read me RPV pressure?
Narrow range should increase more faster.
HPCS is no longer needed, I think. Okay, I stopped pumping on RHR A and C.
Upset and narrow starting to drop.
Okay, what level?
37.4.
Okay.
It's still rapidly dropping. So you just had a total loss of cooling with your reactor, I'm guessing?
Pretty much.
Lovely.
Um,
Upset narrow and at 20 now.
okay. Once upset and narrow show 0, you need to switch to reading from here again, basically. Because digital only has a limited range of what it can show. Or that digital over there, at least. Um,
It's dropping a lot.
don't we have condensate? No, we don't, because we don't have offsite power.
How are we gonna get offset power back?
I don't know. I mean,
Isn't this damn near exactly what happened to that one nuclear power plant in Ukraine?
no.
Loss of offsite power.
No. You mean Zaporizhia?
Mm-hmm.
No, their transformers were destroyed by Russian drones. Okay.
Wide range still dropping.
Okay. We're starting to get power back.
I'm about to turn my goddamn audio off because the alarm is so loud.
We have offsite power back now.
Actually blasting my ears out.
Yeah. I'm gonna stop DG2.
And I'm like answering monkeys. You can still call monkey.
DG2 want to start, so... Oh.
Negative 60.
Okay. Okay, fuck the suppression pool. I just need RPB injection.
Why are you so thin, bro? You're so tall.
Because I'm at normal scale, you're not.
That's fair, I am shorter than one of my other friends avatars. And why am I bald? Why am I built like that? Why is my head built like that? I'm not supposed to be like that. Oh, it's because they messed with my face again. Oh boy. I hate the new textured faces. They're awful. We're stabilized around negative 66.
Okay.
We're actually starting to go back up a little bit. Which I'm guessing is a good thing.
I think I can disable DG2 now. Oh, yes I can. Excuse me, I'd prefer if you didn't do that.
No, that's for you.
RPV level.
Negative 55.
Direction.
Still climb. Up. Slow.
Okay. I think DG1's good to come off. No, it is not. No, it is not. Okay, we're reliant on diesels now for some reason.
I love totally loss of offsite power and then no. That's a great idea.
Okay, I'm just gonna try some. The fuck?
You know we're
Level.
the only two people playing this game. Negative 50.
Negative 15?
50.
Negative 50
Right.
direction?
Upwards. Slow.
Okay. Tell me when it's at negative 40.
Okay. We're literally the only two people playing this game right now.
Yeah.
Average game with two people, bro. Honestly, so sad.
I can't tie in the bus bars. RPV pressure is 22.5 pounds.
Nearing negative 40.
Okay.
We're at still climbing.
Okay, dude, I've had enough. I'm just gonna cut the breaker off the alarms.
Thank you.
It's somewhere back here, I think.
All I
No.
needed.
Level.
32. Negative 32. Still climbing.
Informant at 0.
That just made it so much worse. Holy alarms, brother.
Look at the panel that says P602 at the top for me, please.
What exactly would that be, roughly?
Next to, okay, do you see P600? P602 is to the left of P600.
Yes, I'm right.
Are there any enunciators on the board? Like, or
No.
any? No? What about now?
Yeah.
Okay, press the acknowledge and reset button.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll go back to.
P678. I know which one's causing the issue. I just need to find the breaker for it. P678, P678. P678. I know it's over here. P6, it has to be P678. Level?
Negative 11.5. Still climbing.
Okay. Because that alarm is tied to P678, but I just can't find P678 to acknowledge and reset it, so I'm going to cut power to P678.
-5.
Wow. What is this?
What was that video you sent in general? What's that, bro?
You're on recording.
And? Like, that is wild, bro.
And I plan to upload this to YouTube.
Why did you send that?
It is not my fault, that Russian guy. It had the
Pass you.
okay. Switch to upset. Switch to narrow and upset range.
Was that your mom?
No, that's my sister.
Ah, that's fine.
I don't feel any remorse or guilt or anything like that for her.
Yep. She's sick or something?
She has heart failure. But she cheered on the death of a 17-year-old child, so.
What?
But yeah, and the worst thing is, that was my niece.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I mean, you know, I've got a game that you might like.
I can't
It's
tie in.
It's a lot simpler. But, it's quite fun if you know how to play. And they just recently had a large update. Positive 14.
Okay. I'm going to try to disconnect DG2. Watch all site power die.
Watch us explode.
I'm going to set this to remote, so that way, or no, local. Or control room, what am I talking about?
I'm a bug activity just now more.
That's all good.
Positive 20.
Okay, I'm working on getting offsite fully integrated. CR. Hold on.
Jesus Christ, bro, what are you doing?
That's what I was doing. See, we have offsite back, I think. Yes, we do.
You've been at this for 6 hours? Almost 7 hours?
No, that's not server time, that's UTC time. I think. Yeah, UTC. Okay, I think we have all offsite power back. DGs 1 and 2 are no longer powering their buses. We have alternate bus 7 and 8 feeder. Please don't touch anything over there.
No. I'm just looking. I'm looking at all the gauges.
We do not have offsite back, apparently. But hold on, I'll try to. You know what? Come here. You are going to keep reading me that, even though I'm downstairs. Okay? So I'm gonna be downstairs doing something very important. You're gonna keep reading me that as I'm down there, okay?
We're at positive 30 right now.
Okay, update me every like 1 or 2 minutes or something.
I'll update you every 10 inches.
Okay.
Or do you want less than that?
10 would be fine.
Okay.
And direction, please. Like up fast, up slow, down slow, steady. Yeah, I think I know the problem. I don't know how to disable DG3. What is this room? Oh. Okay. Did any of the lights go out?
No.
Okay. How about now?
Nope.
Level?
46.5.
Pressure?
Still going up.
What is pressure?
18.9.
Have any lights gone out?
No.
Okay. Oh. Okay, what about now? Lights?
Nope.
Like you don't have lights? Or...
No, there's still lights up here.
Okay.
What are you trying to do?
I tried to stop the diesels because I think if I stop the diesels and we have offsite, the reclosers are going to activate. So we'll begin powering on offsite instead of diesels.
Watch the entire facility go dark.
No, all 3 diesels are stopped. Level and pressure, please, as well as direction on both.
Positive 58. Going up 0.2 per second. 18.5 pressure. Negative 0.5 per minute.
Okay. So now we have offsite back. I think I just need to go up to the control room and take the diesels at an auto start.
Entire facility turns off. What did you check from?
Oh, that's a lot of alarms. Okay.
Yep. Hit 6-7 inches. I'm sorry.
Kill yourself.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
So we. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Okay, we have access to the condensate booster pumps. I'm going to perform. We can't perform blowdown because we don't have power to those systems, apparently, for some reason. I can't tie in buses 3 and 8.
Positive 80.
Okay.
Going up 0.2 per second.
Oh, okay, I shouldn't have done that. I should not have done that.
Just do. Literally every single alarm in the building just off, bro.
We're fine.
Pressure 17.7, still negative 0.5 per minute.
I'm gonna ask in quick Q&A.
Watch nobody answer for 10 minutes.
will say on the switch. That's not an answer. Or, no, that is an answer. It's just not the one I was looking for. It'd be nice if I actually knew what did what on here, instead of just guessing.
Positive 90 inches.
Okay.
0.2 per second. Pressure is 17.2. Still
I see
negative
that. I'm gonna begin emergency depressurization.
You okay? You still got that nasty cough or what?
What?
You still got that nasty cough or what?
After 3 months, yeah.
Doctor.
I'm gonna stop RPP injection via LPCS and RHRA. Did direction of RPV level change at all?
Are going down now.
Okay.
Negative 0.3 per second.
RWCU RMC-606. Apparently. Oh no, MC-8C-B. MC8CB. I think.
I'm gonna tickle you. Come here.
C8CB. MC. Stop.
So, upset range dropping by 0.6 per second. Positive 40, going down by negative 7 per second.
Okay.
Or 0.7.
Can I reset Rixie turbine trip? No, I cannot.
Positive 10, going down by negative 0.6 per second.
Okay, I'm getting help right now. Oh, dude.
What?
Look for what? Okay, MC7C.
We're in negatives now.
Okay.
Negative 25. Going down by around 1 inch per second.
DG1 breaker, DG1/7, not no auto, that's fine. Breaker 7572 trip.
Pressure is 9.4, going down by 0.5 per minute.
Okay.
We're at negative 50.
What was that?
I don't know. Looks like some of the valves just closed. Negative 60.
Negative 60?
Negative 60.
Shit. What? How quickly? How quickly?
About negative 1 per second.
Okay. Fuck. At minus 110, I'm starting LPCS. Oh, it's holding. No, it's not. It's starting to hold.
The cortisol levels in my body.
Okay, it's coming up.
I'm guessing your cortisol levels be going crazy.
Shut up.
What? What did I do? Kitty, what did I do?
Okay. I can't do suppression pool cooling. Oh, I can. Okay, I'm gonna move. I'm gonna check on drywall temperature. Watch it be like 100.
You'd be so cooked, bro.
Drywall temperature is 88.5 Fahrenheit down slow.
Pressure's at 67, going up slow.
HPCS initiation, RPP level low, minus 50.
Wow, every single
HPCS is not initiated, number one, sir. Now it is.
What do we do now?
At minus 50, I'm disabling HPCS.
Minus 50.
HPCS pump stopped. Should be an auto, which it is, why aren't the condensate booster pumps? Ooh. That's why. That'd be why.
There's buttons you can use to announce to the whole plant. That's cool.
Yeah.
It's just a button that says yes to the whole plant. It's kind of fun.
What's the level?
Positive 17.
Direction?
Positive 18. Up slow.
Okay.
Starting to increase the speed though.
Okay. I'm gonna shut off RPP injection from RHRA and RHRB.
It would be a struggle.
Actually, we should be good now. Hopefully.
With how old the alarms are still blaring.
Yeah, you learn to block them out.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, condensate booster pumps are operating.
I think if it's too overwhelming, I'll just turn my sats off.
MC8C. I need power on MC8C, which transformer #1 trouble.
Oh boy.
Ah, I see the issue. What? I can't reset lockout. Now I can. Okay. I can't restart DG's. Well, DG3 is an auto start now, or it should be an auto start.
Piggy. Oh, it's literally an AI cat. Cool. It is stuck in a box. But you can get to that.
Okay, what's level?
Positive 30. Holding steady.
Pressure?
6.4. Dropping by 0.4
Okay.
per minute.
Tell me immediately if RPV level starts changing in either direction. Because I'm gonna be like 100 feet under the control room, and it's gonna take me forever to get back up there. So you need to tell me like right away if something changes. This is diesel 1. I need diesel 3. Okay, now at least I know which one's which. I'm just gonna hope this is diesel 3, even though it's probably not. It's diesel 2. Okay, I'm gonna manually start diesel 3. This is 3. Gonna set that to local. Operate, idle, rated. Okay. I'm sure you heard what sounded like a saw, right? Like a saw
No,
cutting through wood?
not really.
No?
No. I mean, I've been pretty locked out, so
You would know the sound.
no, I did not hear it. So
Huh. Okay, level?
still steady at 30.
Okay.
I have a sharp object in my possession. Isn't that lovely?
Why do we still have trouble on those? Oh. Oh, that was... I'm stupid. Okay. Well, I started the wrong diesel generator. So,
Well, then how do you even do that?
I thought I needed diesel 3 for the systems, because each diesel provides power to different systems. It's not like, oh, well, you have 25% of electrical power on all systems. No. Diesel 1, let's just call it System A. Diesel 1 will only power System A. Diesel 2 will only power System B. Diesel 3 will only power System C. That's
Yeah, I
very
get that.
oversimplified, but that's basically how this works for some reason. Okay. Switch is in rated and operate. Local. Okay, you hear that? Okay, I'm gonna stop diesel 3. Diesel 3 stopped. Okay, we should have power to RWCU now. Hey, can you go over to the very right panel, like far right on the control in the control room, and look at diesel 2 and tell me what the enunciators say?
DG2 lockout, DG2 trip, DG2 running.
Which ones are flashing? Which ones are flashing?
All 4 of them.
Which ones are flashing quickly?
DG2 running and DG2 breaker. DG2-8 not proposed.
Okay. My bad. So, the fast blinking ones are the ones that are currently doing something. The ones that are currently
That are slow blinking.
the ones that are no longer reliable because the events that have caused them have stopped.
So I didn't have to acknowledge and reset.
Yeah. synchronous does not have power, apparently. Don't know how that works.
How do I open the key? No, okay. I don't know the other one. It'll allow the controls. My backpack's so big.
Okay, I'm gonna stop RHRB. Oh, I don't need to. It's not injecting. I'm gonna stop RHRC. We're still venting.
Stupid. Yes, stupid. Phoebe's motor's not done yet, stupid.
Okay, we have no services that are emergency injecting anymore. We're good. Except for HPCS, which HPCS V4 injection remains open, but the pump is off, so it's not injecting. I'm gonna force close it. And hope it works at least. I should check. Am I still recording? Yes, I am. Okay, good. Be terrible if I wasn't recording any of that. I can't close RPV injection. But I can close pumps. No, I can't. Okay. What did you do?
That's all big. So.
Okay, I'm gonna place ADS and inhibit. So that way we don't die if ADS enables for some reason. Stop. Okay, I'm gonna bypass RWM and take the key out because I don't trust you. Why are the EOPs for the RFTs operating? Oh, fine, I'll just enable the normal pumps. I think that's the...
The number you dialed is not in service.
What the hell?
So, what's the number for Ops 2? No, it's... Oh, it's 1112. Plant electricals.
That lady doesn't even need the loudspeaker.
Well, yeah.
Did you record that?
Yeah, I
I don't
totally
remember.
recorded that, bro. I totally recorded that.
I'm sorry, my fault, gang.
That's a video with like 2 million views on YouTube. It was from like 6 years ago.
I didn't know that. You just posted a random video and provided damn near no context.
Okay, well, DG2 is still running. But our amperes are... Our amps and kilovolts are... What is... This makes no sense to me. We're at 24 volt. I should be able to close the breaker. But I can't. I'll get it. It's Ops 2. Okay. Messages. 1 times 10 to the power of 17. Great. It's on the phone. Look, 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 look.
One with 17 zeros? Oh god.
RPSB trouble. RCC Southwest board and trouble. Okay.
I have 100 quadrillion messages apparently. Yes, I did the math on that. I told not lie. 100 quadrillion messages. Lovely.
Okay, well. We're just gonna say the core is steady state. I did everything I needed to. So.